What a magnificent start to this marvellous day of cricket. The World Cup final 1992. And so this is the first ball of the match, being bowled from the southern end. And straight away Pringle goes past the outside edge. That's a great shot. Beautiful shot by Ramiz Raja. Have a look at that outfield go too. Into the fence at deep long on. Oh, and it's short and out. He's hit it straight down the throat. No ball called. Watch, oh, he nearly ran him out. My goodness. And again, it's all happening out there. Well, he didn't hear it. We nearly had it all over again. Got him. Yes, he's got him. Pringle has struck. He's bowled beautifully so far.
Yes,